video, we're going to talk about factoring trinomials. And a trinomial just means that it has three terms. And there's an easy case and a hard case, and for today we're going to talk about the easy case. Now, when you look at a trinomial, this is what we call standard form, where A and B, and really even C, are all coefficients, or just numbers. In this case, I go with variables. An easy case trinomial means that your A value is 1. Okay, so let's do some examples. If I want to factor x squared plus 3x minus 18, we know that our A value is 1, our B value is 3, and our C value is negative 18. Okay, so we're going to use what's called the diamond method, or some teachers call it the Xbox method, but we're just going to use the X. So up here, you want to put your C value, or negative 18. Down here, you're going to put your B value, or 3. I'll put a little example up here. C, B. And then here and here, you want to put the things that can multiply to give you your C and add to give you your B. So let's see. Factors of negative 18. We have 1 and 18. That won't work. 2 and 9. That won't work. How about 6 and 3? One of them has to be negative. This one works. So I'm going to put 6 here and 3 here. All right. So now I have these two values. So then I'm going to go back and write them in my factored form. Okay, so we have x plus 6 and x minus 3. And if we multiplied that back through, we would get x squared, when we FOIL it, minus 3x plus 6x minus 18. When we simplify this, we get x squared plus 3x minus 18. So this is factoring a trinomial, the easy case. Let's do a couple more examples. Okay, so here we want to factor x squared minus 8x plus 12. So again, our A value is 1, our B value is negative 8, and our C value is 12. We're going to make our x. Here I'm going to put 12. Here I want to put negative 8. Okay, so what can I multiply to get positive 12 that adds to give me negative 8? Well, again, if you list your factors, 3 and 4, 2 and 6, 1 and 12, and we need negatives. 2 and 6, if we have both negative 2 and negative 6, will give us negative 8 when we add and positive 12 when we multiply. So I'm going to put these over here. And then when I go to write it in my factored form, I'm going to have x minus 2 this time, and x minus 6. Okay, so let's do one more example. X squared plus 15x plus 26. A is 1, B is 15, and C is 26. If I draw my x, my 26 here, and my 15 here, what can I multiply to get this but add to get this? Well, factors of 26, 1 and 26, 2 and 13. It's not divisible by 3. I think this is it. Well, obviously 1 plus 26 in no variation gives me 15, but 2 plus 13 does, and they're both positive. So 2, put my 13, and when I write it in my factored form, x plus 2 and x plus 13 is going to be our answer. And this is how you factor trinomials, the easy case.